Hello there, here we have for you a 2005 VZ SV6 Commodore. It's a hail damaged vehicle, no accident damage, just a lot of hail dents all over it. A very clean and tidy car. I'll just jump in and we'll start it up, get the mileage up. Low mileage, I think it was 70,000 kilometres. I'll just jump in here. Yep, 77437 kilometres. So very low kilometres for a car this age. It is the... there we go. What have we got there? Due for service at 75. You might have missed one. Okay, it's a 5-speed auto. SV6, nice leather wheel. Just go on, we'll do the walk around and pop the bonnet. Got a blue trim, show a bit of wear on the air, wear on the seat there. Blue trim in the back there, logbooks. Pop the bonnet. Fair bit of hail damage on it, so it must have been a pretty big storm. Engine, LY7, black box colour, LY7, M82, gearbox, 5-speed. We've got good headlights, we've got a good front bar with spotlights. Good set of wheels. Pretty sure every panel's got some small damage on it. Got good tail lights, and a spoiler, and a tow bar and a rear bar for the SV6. And the garnish, so there's some bits and pieces there. Just see we've got a spare in the boot. Make a set of 5 wheels. Clean and tidy. And we have a standard black spare wheel. Doesn't appear to have been used. There's a tow hook, jack kit, genuine tow bar. Alright, that's basically it. Nice SV6. Alright, so if you need any parts for your Commodore, give us a call on 0246 46 1733. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.